Hey everyone, it's me, Lauren, with APQS in Central Florida, and I'm going to show you how to stitch a cool background filler today that you can use either for dense or loose quilting jobs. Especially as you get more into that custom quilting, you want to have some different background fillers on hand, and this is a fun one. Let's take a look. Pay attention to how I transition from one side of the design to the other side of the design. You can change what direction you're going easily if you bring it down into the tip and then come out in another direction. You can also travel really well by echoing. And there we have it, scallops.